you're marketing to the US, I want to talk to you about a bit about this because I see a lot of misfires, and I know a lot of you are professionals and try your best. How can we attract these people? All right? Numbers are not enough. They're really not enough. They don't mean a whole lot, unfortunately. You're selling a market. You're selling an entire region. You're selling a country. You're not offering only real estate. You've got to be offering something else. So the other thing that I really want to recommend to you is response times. If you say you're getting back to somebody on a Tuesday, you get back to them. If you don't have an answer for them, you still send an email and say, hi, we're still working on it. I haven't forgotten about you. More people have lost sales off of this one thing than almost anything else. Because the impression that it gives to the people in the United States, and I know it's not meant, but what it does is it says, we don't care, we're not responsive. You're not important.